Welcome to today's painting lesson from Acrylic Arts Academy. In this tutorial, we're creating an easy winter Northern Lights landscape, a peaceful nighttime scene that focuses on smooth blending, glowing aurora effects, and simple winter details using acrylic paint. Before we begin, please pause the video and gather your supplies. Everything you'll need is listed in the description below. Once you're ready, let's get started. Begin by painting the sky using three tones: black, ultramarine blue, and white. Apply the colors across the upper portion of the canvas and blend them smoothly to create depth in the night sky. Using a slightly damp flat brush, start spreading and blending the colors horizontally, moving from the darkest tones into the lighter ones. Take your time here and work gently to keep the transitions soft and seamless. Use sweeping, side-to-side motions to continue blending the colors on the bottom half of the canvas. Black blended into blue, and now yellow will join in to add a glowing horizon line against the snowy landscape. Clean your brush before moving on to the next step. Next, paint the snow-covered ground using white mixed with subtle touches of blue and gray. Use side-to-side brush strokes to blend this frosty snow into the foreground. Mixing in a touch of purple or blue will give your snow a dynamic look. Keep your brush strokes loose and light to create a natural snowy texture. Follow the technique shown here and pause the video if you need more time. Using a clean Filbert brush, tap bright white paint onto the canvas to start forming the snowy pathway. It's okay to follow what is shown here, pausing the video or watching parts over to understand the technique. Trust the process and follow along. There's no rush, so enjoy the process of tapping fluffy snow textures onto the canvas. Add a soft pathway through the snow using slightly darker shades of blue and gray. Adding highlights and shadows will help give your painting depth and enhanced realism. Keep going, you're doing a great job. Blend the edges so the path flows naturally into the surrounding snow without harsh lines. Mixing in a touch of purple or blue will give your snow a dynamic look. Work in layers during this step, alternating between bright blue, light bluish purple, and bright white for highlights. Clean your brush as needed between colors for the best effect. Now paint the mountains using white and gray tones. Shape the peaks gently and add highlights and shadows to define the snowy forms while keeping the overall look soft and distant. Take your time to add the details that make this mountain range look believable and far off in the distance. Adding highlights and shadows to the mountain range will help give your painting depth and enhanced realism. Keep going, you're doing a great job. Using light, upward brush strokes, paint flowing vertical shapes in the sky. Keep your touch light and allow the colors to glow gently against the dark background. To create the northern lights, mix soft green and yellow tones on your palette. Layer the aurora gradually, adjusting brightness and placement as needed. Avoid overworking the area. A soft, airy approach creates the most realistic glow. Keep going. You're doing a great job. Keep your touch light and allow the colors to glow gently against the dark background. Work in layers during this step. Take your time here and work gently to keep the transitions soft and seamless. Finish the painting by adding pine trees using dark green mixed with black. If you would like to learn easy techniques to paint pine trees, pause here and watch our easy pine tree painting tutorial in another tab. Otherwise, you can follow the techniques shown to get a similar result. Use short downward strokes and vary the height and spacing of the trees for a natural forest look. Keep going. You're doing a great job. When you are done adding in the pine trees, give them a few moments to dry. Then, grab a clean flat brush and scoop up some bright white paint. Use angular strokes to add snow to one side of some of these trees. Halfway through, switch to yellow paint and use the same technique to add yellow reflections to some of the snow. Follow our lead and take your time with this until you're happy with the look. Step back and make any final adjustments to balance the composition. When your painting feels complete, set it aside to dry. Great work today. Thanks for painting with us. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Acrylic Arts Academy for more easy, relaxing painting lessons every week. We also want to say a heartfelt thank you to our Acrylic Arts Academy supporter members. Your support helps us keep these tutorials free and accessible for everyone. If you'd like to become a channel member, you can tap the Join button below this video to unlock fun perks. And if you're ready to continue learning with us beyond today's tutorial, you're always welcome to explore our free challenges and our full Paint Your Own Happiness program at acrylicartsacademy.com/free courses. Thank you so much for painting with us. We can't wait to see what you create next.